I want you to be honest with me for a second. How many hours did you lose today? Maybe you've been lying on the couch for the last 2 hours, scrolling through your phone, watching videos you don't even like. You know exactly what you should be doing. There is a pile of dishes in the sink. There are emails waiting for a reply. Maybe there's a dream you wanted to work on, but you physically can't move. It feels like gravity has become 10 times stronger. Inside your head, there's a voice screaming at you. It says, "Get up. Why are you so lazy? Just do it. What is wrong with you?" But no matter how much you scream at yourself, your body refuses to listen. You feel heavy. You feel numb. And most of all, you feel ashamed. You think this is a character flaw. You think you just lack discipline. But I am here to tell you something that might change your life. You are not lazy. What you are experiencing right now is not a mindset issue. It is a biological state. Psychologists call it functional freeze. And today, we are going to learn why your body has hit the emergency brake and how to gently release it. To understand why you can't get off the couch, we need to look at your nervous system. It wasn't designed for emails, deadlines, and social media pressure. It was designed for survival. Imagine an animal in the wild. When it faces a threat, like a predator, it has 3 options. Option 1, fight. Option 2, flight. Run away. But what happens when the animal realizes it can't win and it can't run? It has one final option left to survive: freeze. It plays dead. Its heart rate drops. Its muscles go limp. And it disconnects from reality to numb the pain. This is a brilliant biological mechanism to save energy and survive a hopeless situation. Here's the problem. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a lion attacking you and a crushing workload or emotional burnout. When your stress levels stay too high for too long, your nervous system decides that fighting is useless. So, it pulls the emergency lever. It shuts you down. This is what we call functional freeze. You are technically awake. You might even be doing small things, but inside, you are offline. How do you know if you are in this state right now? It looks different from simple relaxation. When you are truly resting, you feel restored. You feel safe. But in a freeze state, you feel exhausted but wired. You might notice doom scrolling, mindlessly consuming content just to numb your brain. You might feel a sense of dread about small tasks, like taking a shower or answering a text. You might isolate yourself from friends because talking feels like too much effort. And physically, you might feel a tightness in your chest or a complete lack of sensation in your body, like you are floating away. This is not you being useless. This is your body trying to protect you from overwhelm. It's forcing you to conserve energy because it thinks you are in danger. So naturally, what do we try to do? We try to force it. We use shame as a weapon. We yell at ourselves, just get up, just do the work. But here is the science. When you are in a freeze state, your logical brain, the prefrontal cortex, is offline. You are operating from your brainstem, the most primitive part of you. The brainstem doesn't understand language. It doesn't understand logic or deadlines. It only understands safety signals. Trying to think your way out of a freeze is like trying to talk to a computer that has crashed. You can scream at the screen all you want, but it won't reboot. You have to press the buttons. To get out of the freeze, we need to bypass the mind and speak directly to the body. We need somatic tools. The first tool is deceptively simple, but it is powerful. It's called the shake. In the wild, after an animal escapes a predator, it literally shakes its body to release the excess adrenaline. It resets its nervous system. Humans, we don't do that. We bottle it up. We sit still and scroll. So, I want you to try this right now, or as soon as you can stand up. Stand up and just shake. Shake your hands, shake your legs, bounce on your heels, let your jaw hang loose. It might feel silly at first, but do it for 60 seconds. This sends a physical signal to your brainstem. I am moving. I am not stuck. The danger has passed. You are manually melting the ice. If shaking feels like too much right now, try cold exposure. Splash ice-cold water on your face, or simply hold an ice cube in your hand until it melts. Why does this work? The shock of the cold stimulates your vagus nerve, the main nerve that controls your relaxation response. It instantly snaps you out of the dissociation loop and brings you back to the present moment. It's a hard reset for your system. Remember, your procrastination is not a sin. It's a signal. Your body is asking for safety, not punishment. So next time you find yourself stuck on the couch, be gentle. Don't ask, what is wrong with me? Ask, what does my body need to feel safe right now? If you are ready to stop fighting your own biology and want to learn more tools to master your nervous system, I have created a complete guide called The Inner Key. It is designed to help you navigate burnout, anxiety, and shadow work with compassion, not force. You can find the link in the description below. Take care of yourself. You are doing better than you think.